In the beginning, the earth was formless. God created the whole world and made man. Prophets are sent to speak about the past, the present, and the future to the world. Join Prophet Moses Ajibade ministries in praying for the whole world, for God's intervention upon the world, as we view the prophecies for the world.
Prophecy, prophecy, prophecy. On 29th of April 2014, God's servant Prophet Moses Ajibade gave a word prophecy that is saying a flood in India. Those were his words.
This is flood in India. Flood in India. Flood in India. I'm saying flood in India.
On the 10th day of July 2014, the man of God, Prophet Moses Ajibade, gave a word prophecy saying he's seen water taking the lives of people in India. Let us watch.
Has to do with India. I saw water carrying people in India. Water. I said, what is this? I saw people trying to rescue themselves in India.
In confirming the prophecy from the man of God, Prophet Moses Ajibade, it was confirmed on Sky News that there was flood in India, killing 460 persons and displaced citizens from their homes. Let us watch.
The monsoon rains have been falling on Kashmir now for 10 days. Pakistani soldiers have been told saving lives is their priority. But aerial missions like this are slow, tedious operations, plucking survivors one by one to safety. Hundreds of thousands are now homeless, their villages destroyed. And rations are now being dropped to those the army cannot yet save. Across the border in Indian Kashmir, almost 100,000 have been rescued from the army. Those who can are fleeing. Authorities here admit the ferocity of the floods took them by surprise, but now they're catching up. Soldiers are working around the clock to build new roads for places cut up and sent to Israel. Monsoon rains have been falling on Kashmir now for 10 days. Pakistani soldiers have been told
It has to do with India. I saw water carrying people in India. Water. I said, what is this? I saw people trying to rescue themselves in India.
Landslides and flash floods triggered by heavy monsoon rains have killed nearly 300 people in northern India and Pakistan. 5 days of rains in Indian-controlled Kashmir have left at least 120 people dead in the region's worst flooding in more than 5 decades. The rains had stopped on Sunday, and thousands of state police and army rescue workers fanned out to help with relief and rescue efforts. But officials said the spreading water from the overflowed Jhelum River was moving too fast to allow boats to reach stranded people. And in Pakistan, officials say at least 103 people have died and over 5,000 rescued since Thursday in the province of Punjab. One group of people waited for rescuers in trees for nearly a day as floodwaters surged through their village.
We have just evacuated 5 persons who were hanging over the trees. We have evacuated them after 20 hours, and they were luckily survived.
Pakistan's armed forces and civilian rescuers have mounted a massive operation using helicopters and boats to get villagers to safety, including 95 relief camps. Pakistan and India suffer widespread flooding each year during the monsoon season, which runs from June through September. Matthew Burgoyne, Associated Press.
When a prophet speaks, the whites listen. Let us join Prophet Moses Ajibade Ministries in praying for the world, for God's intervention upon the world, to stop the killing, stealing, destruction, loss of lives and properties, to stop disasters all over the world. Stay blessed in Jesus' name.